Hello again, Paul Swyter for CRP, and I'm back with an important component alert for one of our Pro Series timing kits, specifically the PP285LK2. This does fit TB, PP, NCK, LK2 and LK3 kits, as well as our 285 series tensioner kits, the K2 and the K3. This kit fits the Cadillac Catera, some Saabs, as well as selected Saturn models. These were all GM-owned brands at the time. So what you need to know is that the installation requires a spacer behind the tensioner pulleys. When removing the old tensioner pulleys, make sure to grab the spacer so that they can be reinstalled with the new tensioners. These spacers help align the belt through the pulleys. If you don't use it, the belt is slightly misaligned and will cause side loading on the raised edge of the tensioner. In fact, we've seen a number of warranty claims on this kit. Note that there are two tensioners that use these spacers. So remember, when taking the old parts off, be sure to keep the tensioner pulley spacers. They are fine to reuse. Moreover, they are necessary for a proper installation. I hope this video helps you with the timing belt service using the Pro Series 285 kit. If you have any questions about this kit or any of the CRP Inside the Brand videos, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.